All right, y'all, here we are, big poplar, big tulip poplar, every bit of probably 45 inches, 130 feet tall, 140. Probably gonna do a Dutchman on it. We're gonna use the clip in the back. Check this baby out, here we go. You know, y'all asked me, hey, why don't you carry your axe around with you so you can knock them daggone notches out? You know where your bar's at, they'll come out without an axe, you know what I'm saying? Boom, baby. It does have a big hole in it. It does. It does. boys, here it goes. Boom, baby, think you win. In the hole, boys. Yeah, Jonas. Damn, what a monster, dude. Boom, baby. Well, they only get so big and then they start going bad. So we caught this one at the right time. This right here is a 28-inch bar, y'all. Big tree. Big tree. Man, and it's big all the way up. I was the first one to stand here in a really long time. Thank you, God, for providing us this wood to help provide for our families. And thank God for this wonderful resource that is a big boom baby.